Hi guys, in this session I will explain JPQL. JPQL stands for Java Persistence Query Language. So it is similar to the SQL, but there is only small difference. Java Persistence Query Language and SQL stands for Structured Query Language, right? This is for Java. Okay, guys, you see here I will give the few examples. This is select query. Okay, this select query I will go and write into the this repository. So we have one repository, right? User repo. So I will keep into here. Okay, JPQL example I will add here. Okay, this is the query. Okay guys, yeah, this is the query. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, come here and paste it here. Okay, you see here what is the difference, this one and this one. You see, get username like, right? Let it let it be same as it is. Okay, get username, or what we will give, yeah, let find by name, that is also fine, right? Find by name. Okay. Both are same actually. This is for native query, this is for JPA query. Okay, there is only one difference. You see here, this is select start from, this is the table name. Okay, user is the table name, here user is the class name, because this is Java object, right? Java persistence, right? So this is the class name. So let me open the class name. Yeah, this class name. Okay guys, come here. Now this is the class name, and this is alias name, where name is the Java variable name. Okay, if you go to the user, what is the name? This name. Okay, what is the column name? Column name is the username. Okay, that is the difference. You see here in this example, native query example, so I added column name, not variable name, but here I am adding variable name. That is the difference. Okay, user is the class and this is the variable, and this is the input parameter we are passing, where name equal to. Okay guys, that is the difference. Okay, this is similar to the SQL query, but instead of tables and database columns, here we are using Java class name and Java variables. This is the only difference, different. Okay guys, yeah, find by name, yeah, or else okay, that is fine. Okay, we'll go here. Now what I will do, I will copy, yeah, I will go to the user service implementation class. Okay, and write this. Okay, param is no need. The user, this is username, we need to pause. That's it. It's very simple, right? Okay, let me add into the service, pull into the user service. Now in user service it is added. I will show you. Yes, it's added now. Before it was not there. Okay, let me write, this is for JPQL. Okay, examples. Now if you click on this one, you are coming to here. Now this name equal to this name. Okay guys, yeah, that's it. Okay, service is ready. I mean service implementation, it is already ready. Now you go to the controller. In the controller, so yeah, let's take this one. It is similar to that only, right? But that is like operator, that is fine. Let me use this only. Find by name. Okay, and endpoints all are so all are small letters only. It won't follow the camel case. Methods will follow the camel case. Guys, you see here the endpoint, right? Find by name is the endpoint. So once you give the username, it will go to the service, and this is the implementation. In implementation, what we are calling the repository, find by name. Find by name, what is this? This is our method. Okay, our method. Let me copy this custom, sorry, let me change this. Okay, Okay guys, this is our custom method. Okay guys, yeah, now I'm passing the parameter name. Okay, now come to the controller, find by name, copy this and start this. I'm starting in the debug mode. Okay, let it start. I will let it start. Okay, this is find by name, right? Now Tomcat started on 8080 port number and application also started. Now you let me delete this one. Okay, let me delete. It is application is running, just I have deleted the logs, that's it only. Now you go to the postman and what is the endpoint? Come to the endpoint. This is the endpoint. Okay guys, this is the endpoint and the username, we need name, right? What is the request parameter? It is expecting the name. Okay, name we need to give. So the name, it is equivalent to username, right? You go to the database. So the database, okay, what is the name? I'm taking this as a banana. Okay, give as a banana and then send. You see here we got the response and the status also 200, right? Now you come to the here and see the console. So we've written the JPQL query. JPQL query is converted into the SQL query, right? I will show you where is the JPQL query. Go to the implementation and go to here. Yeah, you see here, this is the JPQL query. How it is, you can differentiate both. Okay, how we've written, select you is the object and user is the class name and name is the variable name. But here you see user name, okay, and user is the table name and these and all are the column names, right? Yeah, the JPQL it's converted into the SQL. Those logs you can see here. Okay, the similarly, yeah, I will give few example. Guys, yeah, I have few more examples so you can get the experience on it. I will give you before that I will explain you. You see here, this I already explained. Suppose if you want usernames, then you can username, you can pause the username, then you will get the user. Okay, suppose if you want user based on the state, then you have to provide the state. The same, this is the class name, this is the variable name. This is not a table name. I'm repeating, this is not a table name and this is not a column name. Okay, this is not a table name, this is a class name. Okay, and this is not a database column name, this is a variable name. Okay, class variable name. Which class? User class. That is the difference. That is a different. Okay, now and condition. So in this SQL queries, how we are writing the queries, this is also similar to that. You see guys, and operator I am writing, right? Now you see here, select short from, this is the class name where u.name. Okay, u.name and u.state. In middle, I am adding this operator. Okay, it's very simple. JPQL queries also, it's very simple. It's similar to SQL queries and operator. Okay, and this is parameter. So whatever I am highlighting in the red color, right, I am passing here. This one, this is city, here the city, the same. Okay, next we'll go to the another operator. This is for like operator. Guys, you see here in the native query we already written, right? In the native query here we've written the table name, but in the JPQL query, so here class name and this is variable name. Remaining the like operator, like is same and this is also the same. Okay, you need to provide into the like operator, right, percentage, and this is positional parameter. Okay, and now we come to this next one, or operator. And operator I explained, this is or operator. Okay, this is select you from user, whatever the object is that we have to mention here, or else it will throw any exception. So u.name equal to name, this name is this parameter name, and or operator, and email is this one. So this is the or operator. Okay, if you are familiar with SQL, then this is very easy. Only the changes is here class name and variable name. and remaining AND operator, OR operator, the few remaining operators, right? Order by, ascending order, this and all are same. Okay guys, now you see the between operator, between where we can use, usually we can give the time, right? So actually in the user table I do not have a time, so for this time, so I am from id to the range I given. This is for range, right? So if you have a time, so you can create on date and get the user data based on the range of the time. Okay, and this is for is null. Suppose this is class name and this is a variable name. If it is, wherever it is null, I mean the user, it doesn't have the phone number, then it will retrieve this data. Okay, this is the query. And in operator, suppose if you want the few states, if you pause in the states as a list, then it will fetch the data. This is in operator. And operator, or operator, in operator, order by, between, this and all I have I've written here. Okay guys, now you come to the this one, delete all. So guys, as of now, you come here, this slide, as of now, so I have explained all select queries. Okay, in select queries, just I've written @query. If you go to the next slide, this is the delete operator, right? Delete operator, and delete, you see, delete means you are modifying the data, or you are modifying the data, or you are deleting the data. That is meaning, right? If you delete means it's modified. So update or delete, on top of this you have to write this one, modifying query. Okay, let me repeat. Suppose if you are updating or if you are deleting, okay, then you have to use this annotation, @modifying annotation. Suppose if you are not using @modifying for update or delete queries, then what will happen? So Spring Data JPA, by default it will treat as a select query. Okay, by default it will treat as a select query, but here this is not a select query, right? It will throw an exception. Very simple. So whenever you are modifying the data, means update or delete, then you have to use this modifying. Okay, if you are not using, then it will throw this kind of exception. Okay, and next go to the update query. This is for update. Okay guys, yeah, this and all. So what I will do, so I will keep it here. Let me add it here. Okay, I'm adding here. Okay, let me push it. Yeah. Let me push it, and once I push, guys, you see here, after pushing, so everything it will come to, in the GitHub. So everything I have added this one. So what you can do, you can get experience on remaining things. So I mean, JPQL I have explained this thing, right? So suppose if you want to fetch based on the state, or if you want to get experience AND operator, or like operator, or OR operator, order by, and the date range. So range you can, I already explained, right? Instead of ID from ID date, you can create a column for date, and you can get the data. That is good example, but this is also fine. That's your wish. And is null. So this and all, you get experience on it. This is enough. Okay, enough means, so for getting experience on it, this is enough. Okay, I will push into here. I already pushed here, so you can you can try yourself. Okay, in the next session, so I will explain the few things, how to store the data into the store procedure or pagination. These two things I will explain. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.